The blueprint of an action cam is a familiar one: tough, waterproof, and a compact body. It's a formula that other action cams are content following. Now, DJI looks to throw out the rulebook. This is DJI Action 2. Action 2 doesn't just challenge design standards, it shatters them. It harnesses size-defying power and adaptive shooting for show-stopping footage. With 4K 120 frame per second capabilities and an ultra-wide field of view, you can capture richer details and see more in every frame. But here's what makes Action 2 truly different. Action 2 ushers in an era of creative freedom through its magnetic modular design. Capture life on the move by effortlessly swapping out modules and accessories. Its fluid form lets you adapt to your environment and capture a vast range of shots. Snap on the front touchscreen module and frame the perfect selfie with ease. Focus on the story you're telling and record crisp audio with the built-in microphones. The wearable accessories let you remain in the moment as you capture the spectacular. With the magnetic mounts, you can securely position Action 2 in unique locations or connect it with a variety of accessories. From the extraordinary to the everyday, Action 2 was designed for creative flexibility. But the innovation doesn't stop there. Action 2 focuses on creating smoother footage than ever before. A completely upgraded stabilization system brings incredible gimbal-like smoothness and can fully lock on to a leveled horizon. Take to the waters and capture the drama of your aquatic adventures. Show off your creative flair with stunning time-lapse, hyperlapse, and slow-motion shots. The upgraded voice control allows for complete convenience while filming, simply by asking. And with the DJI Mimo app, you can instantly transfer your footage and let the AI editor handle the rest. For all that are searching for more than action, this is DJI Action 2.